the water ride, you may get wet. Please protect your own electronic device, okay? Okay. Adults, please also watch your child for me. Got it? Okay, thank you. Perfect. Okay, why I told you to not let your hands out there while the boat is moving? Did you see right there? Right there is a crocodiles over there.
It's a crocodile.
Do you see the crocodiles? That is very dangerous. Keep your hands inside, fingers inside as well. That crocodile is very hungry. I don't know when he's gonna swim out. Okay. Okay. Above the crocodiles, did anybody know what building that is? Your house? No, your house, of course. Yeah, the tree house. Who owns the tree house?
Tarzan.
Yeah, Tarzan is the home for Tarzan. If you also want to visit Tarzan and his home, the easiest way is to take the raft over there, cross over the river to the other side to visit him. But a friendly reminder, Tarzan usually sleeps at 6 o'clock. So if you want to visit, you better catch your time. Okay, now we're heading on a 3 days and 4 nights trip. So say goodbye to them, okay? We're not going to see them again after 3 days, okay? Say goodbye, bye-bye! Remember their faces, probably going to only see them once in your lifetime. Bye-bye! The river. This river is at least 4,000 miles long, but don't worry, I know a shortcut for you. Right at the entrance here, we have our elephant mother and the baby. Let's go say hi.
Inigo.
Hi. The mommy is actually teaching her kid how to use this trunk. Oh, isn't it cute? And then the other side here, we have our elephant brother, and he really loves to take shower. He has been taking shower for 13 years. Look at all his wrinkles. If you don't want to have wrinkles like him, don't ever take shower, okay? Here's our elephant daddy. He's not in a good mood today. People remain seated. I'm afraid that he's gonna blow the water very soon. People in the back, watch out! Oh no! Just kidding. I'm so naughty and naughty boy. Here is our Asian temple of Ganesha. Right here you can see a lot of giant spiders.
Oh, see the spider? Inigo spider?
Scary spider. And this spider, they can actually jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. So when they jump right over us to the other side. Shh. Here is our elephant garden. They protect us, the king cobras. This king cobras is the world's poisonous ever. And it is dry and slightest motion. This one here is with fish right here. This is zero. Don't look at his eyes. I'm afraid you're all gonna be hypnotized. Nobody got snakes, right? Okay, you guys are perfect. Here, lovely fry. What do you see right here?
A crocodile.
There's a lot of crocodiles, right? That's why I told you to remain seated throughout the whole time. These crocodiles are very creepy. They really haven't had food for a long time. So please remain seated and keep your hands inside. Here is Professor Porter and James' campsite, but I think they haven't locked the campsite for a while. It became the gorilla campsite anyway. Hey, the gorilla with the head. Put down your gun. No motion. Oh, wow, you bad boy. Anybody wearing anything yellow? If you're wearing anything yellow, please sit straight up because I'm afraid that they think that you're a banana. I'm going to took you away from the boat.
Oh, zebra.
Here, welcome to the African bells. What animal do you see here? Yeah, zebra, giraffe, and elephant. Do you know what's the difference between a male and a female zebra? Oh, let me tell you, very easy. The left-hand side is a male, is white with black stripes, and the right-hand side is a female, is black with white stripes. Very obvious, right? Here is the second bearded animal in the jungle, the African elephant. Hello, how about the most bearded one? Whoa, the most bearded one right there. Do you know why? That's his mother-in-law right there. Let's look under the water. There's so many people here. These people is at least 6,000 pounds heavy. People, they can flip our boat very easy. Whoa! Oh no! And that one haven't brushed his teeth for a while. I apologize for the smell. You guys are also bright. The last one that I bring in there. Oh, jump off the boat and got chased by a rhino. Hey guys, my boat is full and I don't got time for you, so say goodbye to them. Bye. Poor adventurer. Here, look at the left-hand side, right-hand side. You see a lot of skull head here. That means we're actually entering the head hunter band. People, I need your help. Please keep extreme quiet and don't make any noises, okay? If not, I don't know what's gonna happen. Shh. Is your head still here? Oh, I'm so sorry. I should have taken a look before I headed. Nobody lose their hair, right? You guys perfect. Okay. Now let's follow the boat in front of us. We're all gonna go all the way back to the dock. I can't wait to see my families and friends, and hopefully they're not chasing us back there. Uh-oh. Watch out, people. Watch out. Who on tight? This is not the dock for sure. This is a forbidden place that protected by the fire and the water god. Hey, I think I misrouted here. Fire god, calm down. They're all good people, and they don't deserve this. It's my dock, and my boat can steer it. People on the back, hands inside, hands. Oh no, my boat. Oh no. No more fire. We're probably all gonna be barbecued. If you got toasted back there, let me know because I got some butter here. Just kidding. Give yourself a good dance. Good job, guys. Cheer up, cheer up. Thank you. Here is our little baby elephant trying to say goodbye to us. Boy.
Baby elephant.
Oh, such a cutie, isn't it? Thank you for coming these 3 days and 2 nights and taking an adventure with me. I really enjoy every moment with you all. You guys are the greatest adventurers ever. Now we're almost gonna head back to the dock. People, I need you to do me one more favor. People on this side, please keep your hands and elbows inside the boat, away from the gray area. Would be perfect. Hands. Yeah, thank you so much. People on the back as well, hands inside. Thank you. Okie dokie. 3 days and 2 nights. How was the trip? You guys like my trip? Yeah, if you guys like my trip, remember my name is Vega. If you don't like my trip, don't worry. Remember my name is Pizza, okay? When my boat comes to a complete stop, passenger, please use the middle and the back door to exit. Please do not crawl my window with the bardos on my window. If you crawl my window, you will become a gorilla and you can only eat banana for the rest of your life. Okay, my boat comes to a complete